Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you can create a video from image using Helio AI. So it was very easy. First of all, we need to create an image. So for image, we will go to simply ChatGPT. I already give a prompt to ChatGPT for my image. Here we go. I tell ChatGPT create an image, a soccer player in the ground, foot on ball, curly hair, and attractive face. After that, ChatGPT give me that pic. After that, I tell ChatGPT, please write prompt for that image. I will create a video from that image using AI video generator. After that, ChatGPT give me that prompt. So simply, I will first download that image. So let's download that image. And second, I will copy that prompt. I will simply go to Helio AI, search for Helio AI. Now click on that website. After that, I will simply paste that prompt here. And also I will click on that image icon. You guys can see, simply click on that and upload that image. So I will simply upload that image. After that, you need to click on that 30 option. Now we need to wait a little bit. It will take a little bit time. Here we go. In 5 minutes, our video will be ready. I will show the result with you guys. Here we go. Our video is ready. Let's see how was the result. You guys can see how perfectly Helio AI created our video. Thanks for watching.